The one competition champion. He's flying the brand new Blowout Extreme 800 Custom Scorpion 5035 380 kV motor, Edge 753s. Put your hands together for Kyle, the robot doll. Brand new Logo Extreme 800 coming to the market very soon. $2,600. You get the helicopter, blades for his tail and the main, Scorpion motor, V-bar, and the speed control system, the YGE 160 amp speed controller. Kyle is flying this thing at 1850 in the head with volts 14 S5100 packs. How about it, folks? Kyle Doll is on the flight line. He's throwing around this real big helicopter, real mean. Give it to him. Give it to him. It's Kyle Doll on the flight line. Show him some love. Give it to him. Scorpion Power Systems, Mikado, and Kyle Doll. Yes, sir. Give it to him. I see your emotion. That's alright. So you're big, so get to every night. Now that's all. I see your fantasy. You wanna make it reality, baby. Go on, see inside of our heads, yeah. Well, now that's over. I see your emotions inside. Decisions to hide. Back on, take you on. Let's go. I'll rock that for him. Ladies and gentlemen, Kyle Doll on the flight line. Somebody make some noise for him. Somebody give it to him. On deck, Colin Bell. On deck, Colin Bell. Yes, sir. That's Kyle Doll on the flight line. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wee. Yes, sir. Give it to him. Give it to him.